What are the toughest ethical dilemmas for managers? Have you ever wondered what ethical challenges managers face in their roles? Managers, especially those who are just starting their leadership journey, encounter tough situations that test their values and decision-making skills. These challenges often arise from the need to balance the goals of the organization, the well-being of employees, and the standards set by laws and ethics. Let's break down some of the toughest ethical dilemmas that managers face. One major dilemma is the pressure to cut corners to meet ambitious goals. Managers may find themselves in situations where targets seem impossible. The temptation to bend rules or overlook quality can be strong. However, it is essential for managers to resist these shortcuts that could compromise their integrity, even when they feel pressured by higher-ups or their team. Another common challenge is handling conflicts of interest. Managers might encounter situations where their personal relationships or outside business ties clash with their professional responsibilities. For instance, favoring a friend during hiring can undermine fairness and trust within the team. It is vital for managers to recognize these conflicts and manage them transparently. Balancing loyalty to the organization while supporting employees can also be tricky. Managers often face tough choices when a client or senior leader mistreats employees. They may struggle with whether to prioritize business interests or advocate for their team's well-being. Choosing to support employees, even if it impacts business revenue, reflects strong ethical leadership. Dealing with misconduct is another significant ethical dilemma. New managers might be asked to overlook unethical actions like falsifying reports or tolerating discrimination. They must decide whether to report these issues, risking their relationships or job security, or remain just silent. Developing the courage to report wrongdoing and understanding the proper channels is crucial. Maintaining confidentiality is also a challenge. Managers handle sensitive information about employees and customers. Ethical dilemmas arise when deciding what information to share, especially when transparency conflicts with privacy obligations. Fair hiring, promotion, and firing practices are ongoing challenges. Managers must ensure their decisions are based on merit and free from bias. Being aware of unconscious biases and applying objective criteria is essential, especially in diverse workplaces. Lastly, the use of company resources and technology presents ethical issues. Managers need to set clear expectations about the appropriate use of time and resources. Misusing company assets for personal gain can impact productivity and trust within the team. For first-time managers facing these dilemmas, seeking guidance from mentors or human resources can be helpful. Asking questions about what is acceptable in their role and industry can provide clarity. Building a culture of openness allows team members to feel safe discussing ethical concerns. Leading by example and communicating ethical standards transparently is vital. By understanding these common ethical dilemmas, new managers can prepare to handle them thoughtfully. This preparation helps build trust, create a positive culture, and develop into effective leaders.